finally found the perfect box to use as a trunk on my H6. It's light, it's rigid, it's lockable, it's really cool looking, and it was only 20 bucks. Can't beat that. Been wanting to do this for a while, finally found the right box. Let's mount her up and see if it works. But first, let's talk about that basket. Super heavy duty, served me quite well. I've hauled big boxes to the shop. Heck, it's wide enough you could throw your trunk bag in there sideways. And you know I'm gonna rig this thing for fly fishing up in the mountains. And check out this cool waist tackle bag I found at a yard sale. Wraps right around the back of that basket, perfect. Fishing video coming soon as winter lets up. So either the groundhog was right, or somebody sliced open a giant pillow. Man, I was gonna go fishing today. This trunk bag has served me very well, but it's over 12 years old and you're gonna get your tools and maybe a rain jacket in there. Doesn't fit that great either. And my top peak ain't going on there for obvious reasons. So Top Peak just came out with a rack adapter that you can stick on that bike or any other conventional rack. As of this filming, they're about 2 months back ordered and they cost about 45 bucks. Meh. Now, the reason I don't use this thing all the time is the weight. The bike doesn't seem to notice it's back there, but I do. Here's a quick breakdown of the hardware I'm using. It's all pretty much from that track pack except for these washers and these grommets that I stole from the basket. That's pretty much the key item right there. The hardware I'm using is 15/64 in diameter. I'm going to go ahead and drill it out a quarter just in case I didn't measure that great, because, you know. And now I'm going to drill some holes in a perfectly good box. And there we have it. They're all in there. I had to whittle away at these ridges a tiny bit to get those grommets to fit nice and straight. And that's ready to go on the bike. Here we have it. Nice. And of course, being a Plano product, you know it's got the dividers. It's like a big old tackle box. One more minor detail. Alright, man, I am stoked. My two favorite things: cheap and easy. 20 bucks at Lowe's, link in the description. A little bit of drilling and whittling, some hardware I already had lying around here, and of course what I stole from the basket. E-bike trunk. So I really appreciate all the likes, shares, and subscribes. Hit me up in the comments below. I want to hear about what you guys have come up with as far as e-bike storage.
Hey babe, can you go to Costco?
Yeah, honey bun, what you need? Now, I'm waiting on a special delivery from Wallke today. Next video, we're going to be changing things up a little bit. See you then. See you next video.